Continue with human alimentary canal further. After stomach, food enters into a structure called as small intestine. Small intestine has three parts of it. The first part is called as duodenum, that you can see here. The first part of alimentary canal is duodenum. The second part is called as jejunum, and the final third part is called as ileum. At the opening of small intestine, two ducts join together and form a single duct. One of them comes from gallbladder, while another comes from pancreas, and they join together to form hepatopancreatic duct. This duct is called as hepatopancreatic duct. This part is coming from gallbladder, while this part is from pancreas. Here at this point you can see two ducts are opening, but they are forming a common duct further by joining with each other. One is from pancreas, another is from gallbladder, and its opening is guarded by sphincters, which are called as sphincters of Oddi. This question have been even asked in NEET exams, NEET exams also. What is the name of sphincters present at hepatopancreatic duct opening? They are called as sphincters of Oddi, which regulate the secretion and passing of pancreatic as well as bile juices into small intestine. Along with small intestine, another gland is called as liver, that we will discuss in the topic glands. Liver contains gallbladder in it, which is an organ for storage of bile juice secreted by liver. Liver secretes bile juice while gallbladder stores them. Both these juices are added at the beginning part of duodenum. Duodenum further is the site for absorption of proteins, carbohydrates, and all fats in it. Hence, major digestion of food occurs in duodenum part of small intestine. The second highly looped structure of small intestine is called as jejunum. The inner walls of jejunum contain this type of finger-like projections. These finger-like projections are richly supplied by blood vessels and are major organ of absorption of digested food. These finger-like structure technically called as villi. Their number is in millions to increase the surface area for absorption of digested food. The last part of small intestine is called as ileum. Then small intestine opens into a structure called as large intestine. Though it is called as large intestine, yet it is smaller in size as compared to small intestine. Due to its size, due to its larger diameter, this is called as large intestine. Dear students, large intestine further has three parts. First part of large intestine is called as cecum. First part we call as cecum. Second part is called as colon. And third part is called as rectum. Colon further has three parts. One is moving upward, that is called as ascending colon. Second part is called as transverse colon. And third part is called as descending colon. Large intestine is a major site of absorption of water from undigested food material, while the rectum is the last part of human alimentary canal, which stores undigested waste material, also called as fecal matter in terms of biology. And then the last part of human alimentary canal is called as anus, from where fecal matter or undigested waste matter is thrown out from the body from time to time. Anus is again guarded by a pair of sphincters which control the exit of waste material from the body. This process of throwing out waste material from the body of human being technically is called as egestion. One more thing we need to keep in mind is that at the point of junction of small intestine and large intestine, there is a structure called as vermiform appendix. This vermiform appendix is a vestigial organ, means it is an organ which is of no use for us but is still present in our body. It gives an idea or an evidence of evolution that human must have been evolved from those organisms which were capable of digesting grass or green plant or cellulose. Thus, these are the various parts of human alimentary canal. In all, total length of human alimentary canal from mouth to anus is 9 meter. This is highly coiled structure which is packed in a cavity. This cavity of human alimentary canal, where it is packed, is called as abdominal cavity. So with this we conclude the alimentary canal. The second part, that is digestive gland, we'll discuss in our next lecture.